Hello guys. Welcome back to some more Animal Crossing New Horizons Happy Home Paradise. This cute little mouse thinks pirates are so cool, I want my own pirate hideaway. So I'm thinking, hi Rod, this could be fun. As a buff mouse of action, I love tough stuff, like the bitter taste of this coffee. Blah. You're with that business that makes vacation homes, right? I need help. I want to try working out in a more relaxing spot, like a vacation home. Got any open spots? Yeah. So we're gonna make him a little pirate's cove, I guess. I don't know. We'll see what I do. I always kind of mess these up. Okay, let's see what he wants. Alright, kind of stuff I figured. Plus we've got the pirate rug. I think we've got a few other goodies that I brought from my own old island. I don't know, do we want to use... I don't want to use that one, because you don't want too many people showing up to your little pirate's cove. Ooh, this could be interesting. Are we allowed to put anything on that rock? Pirate's secret hideaway. This looks like more of a secret hideaway to me. I think we're going to use that one. We haven't used that yet. Yeah, those are good too. Let's use this one. Looking good. There's lots of space to work out, right? Okay, I know you're a jock, but you want a pirate theme, so stop with the workout stuff. We'll go with 2-level. That way, if I do it quickly enough, we could do both floors. Otherwise, I'll do the second one later. I love the little stripes on his tail. That's so cute. I don't know if I've seen Rod before. He's adorable. I'm not always a fan of the mice, but he's pretty cute. Hi, Scarlet. You want some head scritches? Hey. Don't bite me. She bites. Do any of you have a cat that bites? It's not a mean bite. It's more of a, I'm just going to grab your hand with my mouth and then bite it and then rub my face all over it. She does that. And sometimes it hurts. Okay, sorry. All right, Ace, let's go. Ooh, we can put stuff there. Interesting. I don't know what I want to put there. I don't want to change the weather a bit. Maybe earlier in the morning. Maybe a little rain. Oh, fog. Oh, that's cool. He's hidden in the fog here. Probably keep that style house. Well, yeah, we don't want it too big. Those are too big. I'm almost tempted to do this little itty-bitty one. Secret hideaway. It's not going to be a big, gigantic house. But I don't like the bushes on the outside. So, I think I like maybe a brown. The brown, yeah. Just need to find the right color door. I'm happy with the roof. I think, well, maybe just black. Could do one with the little porthole in it. I'm not going to put a welcome wreath or anything on it. I think just that, just brown on brown. Okay, let's see what he has all in the order. Definitely have a barrel out here. Map will go inside. We could put that over on the rocks, maybe. Ooh, he's got the gold nugget mining cart. I don't have this yet on my island. Maybe he does the cave. Maybe we should put the cave over on the rocks. And like, that's where he's been going and digging for gold. That's just find that and see how that looks over there. We could maybe just do that. Cave hidden in the fog. Should it be black? And then match the rocks. These fit. I need to turn off the weather to see what it looks like. Although I guess it doesn't matter what it looks like with the weather off. I'm just curious. Yeah, I think I like that. I wish I... Oh, we can put it back a little further. There we go. All right, let's turn the fog back on. I love the fog. That is so great. Skeletons, maybe to scare people away. It would probably be a little mossy in this damp weather. I don't know if this will fit over here. Perfect. I wish there was a way to kind of hide his house a little more. Well, I guess we could put trees and stuff in front of it. Trying to decide where I like it best. I don't want it to be a little bit hidden. I guess that was as far back. I saw a spot. All right. What would it look like? Let's see. What all do we have? Surround it with some palm trees. Ooh. But yeah, kind of hide the cave. Dang it. That's the one problem with a really small island. Maybe we don't have the coconut trees. I just wanted to kind of, I don't know, camouflage things a bit. I'm being silly. Unless if anybody were to visit this, like in the stream address version or however, I want people to be able to see it when they show up. So it's fine. You don't fit over there next to the house either. Oh, fine. Fine, fine, fine. Does he have the boat? Maybe we should give him a boat. Sort by type. Like that's going to help me find the boat. Is that with the outdoor stuff? Probably. Yeah. I don't think it's going to fit though either. I want the weathered. Okay, it fits there that way. Pirate's got to have a boat. You know, you got your different barrels and things. We'll put the treasure inside. Oh yeah, this would be better outside. I'm not gonna do like a whole lot of stuff. I wish this had the skull and crossbones on the side so I could face it that way. We'll use this barrel inside and just put this one out here. A few more of these, maybe. Just one more over here. Well, that's a little too lined up now. Ooh, the cannon. Let's just use 2 barrels. We'll put a cannon. Gotta have that. Gotta guard your treasures. Maybe one facing this way, one facing this way. So he's well guarded. Probably one over this way. Nobody's gonna mess with Rod. Is that his name? Nobody's gonna mess with Rod today. Why not? Does he have a... I'm like, I don't know that he has a tourist telescope. I don't feel like stacked fish. Well, I mean, I guess we could use them. See if we have a more somber... No, we're not using the stacked fish tanks. Fish tanks? Oh my gosh. Fish containers. No lighthouse. That would just draw attention. Nope, nope, nope. Do a big monster guarding. I feel like this is just kind of it for the outside. Maybe it's not the most exciting. But I love the look of the fog. You can come fire the cannon. Keep people away. If I think of anything else, we can come at it. All right. Okay. So I know we should have the pirate flooring. What wall is there as well? Or the ship deck flooring. That's pretty good. Could make this look like the hull of a ship, or... Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Do I not have it, though? I might not have what I'm thinking of. That might have been on my old island. Ooh, I don't think I have it. Oh, that's a bummer. I'm not seeing it. Oh, shoot. I really thought I had like a pirate wall or something like that. Go alphabetical. We'll look under P and S. No. That would be a little odd. But it might work. It's actually maybe... I don't know. I hate when I don't have what I think I should have, or I'm missing things. I get my two islands confused. Well, maybe we can just make it look more... I'm not going to use the rope wall. The wildwood wall, though, that can work. That's fine. I wanted to make it look more like the interior of a ship. That's okay. We'll keep this floor with this wall. Fine. I might keep it kind of small. Whoops. Oh, let's make it a little bigger. I know I'm going to eventually. Do 8x6 for now. Okay. Now I'm having a thought of, oh, let's make it like a hideaway bar, like a really cool place people have to have a password and stuff to come into, like a little speakeasy Pirates Cove bar. But I think we're just going to pile it up with treasure and stuff. Let's look at our furniture choices. Probably kind of limited for this kind of a build. I mean, what would pirates use for chairs in their little secret hideaways? Log stools, that's it. You're all just getting log and stone stools. We could do the log sofa and stuff. That might go. Floppy sofa's not quite right. I'm actually a little stuck. I don't know, you guys. Well, let's see how it looks. Yeah, we'll keep the lumber dark. I may have to pause to go check. I just got a text. I left my phone in the other room. It's a grocery delivery day, so I always have to kind of have my phone handy on those days. See if there's anything missing from our order. Oh, you know what? I'm going to pause it, and while I go grab my phone, and then I'm going to check to see if there's maybe any design codes for pirate or skull and crossbones or something that might work for this. I will be right back. I'm back, and I'm looking through pirate designs. Whoa. Okay, that's fine. And I was just thinking, you know what? I don't want to use a design slot on this anyway. So we will just figure it out. I feel like he needs rustic furniture in here. So maybe I won't worry about the back cushions. Or we do it with Tortimer on it. Let's just put, maybe we just have like, oh, you know, let's look at the order again. Maybe I'll get some inspiration. Cool. I'm almost wondering if we should use the jail bars or something. Although, no, I don't want to use those because there's a, oh, I just forgot her name. She's on our beach and she wants a bank. So I might do that later, and I would use the jail bars, although they work for this too. If we wall off a part of the room, like that's where his treasure is hidden. I don't want to do similarly themed things. If you know what I'm saying. But this could work. I don't know. Let's just try it. Ooh, golden casket. Creepy and neat. A freezer to store the bodies of people who come searching for his treasure. Oh, we could put a torch outside. Does he have the golden seat? Is his house like made of all the gold and stuff he finds? I was gonna go more rustic. Yeah, we're not gonna do this. Okay. Let's like get a big table that he has his map on for looking at for when he's getting ready to search for his treasure. Project table. Maybe the wood plank table. Pardon me, my goodness. Is that like just in the center of the room? I want the map to kind of be a little more noticeable. Maybe that's on this corner of the room. Okay, I don't think we should use the safe. I don't even know if that was here. Stone table, interesting. I could use that instead, even. That might look a little better. Instead of having a desk, this is where he studies his map. That works. Oh my gosh, there's a very loud bird outside, but it's cute. Apparently he would like some grilled sea bass, please. Yeah, Oh, we could put the skull door plate on his door. I don't think so. Let's put it on the wall, though. Let's try that again. Okay. There, we did something. I guess we could give him the stone stool to sit on at his stone table. I really don't want him to have, like, nice furniture in here. I feel like it needs to be rustic. That's where he just sits and goes over the maps, staring at his piles of gold. Okay, we need something else, obviously. Lots of something else's. I don't know, maybe he has a little bit of a comfortable area. But yeah, no back cushions. I don't want to center it under the window. That's the end table. Maybe. I'm sure I'm overthinking this. Good, he's happy we've given him a second barrel. Oh, we gotta give him his sword. We'll just stick that here for right now. Do we have 2 couches? Probably not. Well, or we could do one over here. It doesn't have to be up flush against the wall. Let's put his sword. I don't know, where would he quickly grab it? Heading out the door? I guess heading out the door. Let's put his boat, his ship in a bottle here. Let's see, what else? What else? Kind of just want to fill it with treasure. We don't have like loose stacks of gold, do we? Might have artwork hanging up that he's like pilfered. I do want to give him some music of some sort. I just haven't decided in what form yet. Oh, yeah, let's give him the wood-burning fireplace. Got to keep warm in here. That's good. I'm not going to give him a TV. It's a nice place to keep warm. Does a pirate have plants in his house? I'm thinking no to the plants. Oh, good. For a second, I was afraid I hadn't unpaused this. That would have sucked. Or maybe it would have been a kindness. Really just depends on how you're enjoying the video. Oh, let's see. What kind of goodies do we have tucked away in this section that I always forget about? Pirate ship helm could just make for some neat decor. I don't know why. I do like it as just a little decorative item. Oh, here we go. Get rid of that. Hello, we've got treasure. Let me fit you over here. I feel like we need a few of these. We'll leave that as is. Nothing needs to be right behind it. It's okay that there's a space there. Maybe his sword next to this. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty good. Let's see what else we have. Oh yeah, more of the barrels. That works for me. Oh, that does fit back there. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Oh, a pirate. I feel like he has to have a bird. His parrot. His trusty companion. Let's put it over here. I can't tell which way I want it to face. I think brown is the best for this situation. Turn the cage there. Well, that's fine. I'm okay. Overthinking it. Now we still got to do this bedroom. I don't know. Let's see what we have for the walls. Let's see what was under the order for hanging uppy stuffies. Oh, a fancy violin. Oh, we can give him the phonograph. We got to figure out what to put that on. Why do they all want KK Calypso? I think that's what's playing. Oh, I like it, but it's going to get on my nerves. But that's fine. If that's what he wants to listen to, that's what he can listen to. Let's see what else we have. I don't know that he would really use the antique phone, but I like that it's one of the things he wants on the order. Let's put it up there. You never know. You got to get a hold of your other pirate friends. Oh, do we have... No. We'll put them both up. I was hoping, though, maybe we'd have more of an antique version. That would be really cool if there were an antique version. A bell bag. Or the rug. I might put a couple of log stools in front of the sofas. Just to put some stuff on. Part of me wants to give him some art, like nice artwork. Oh, that's wall mounted? I didn't know that was wall mounted. That's cool. Let's do this too. Oops, under the wrong section. Before I forget about the stools. Because they do work for little tables. Maybe one there. One there. I want them diagonally. Oop. For a second, I thought my computer was going to shut itself off again like it did yesterday. It was just something weird on my... I don't know what I just saw on my screen. Oh. Yeah, we'll just do that. Oh, a pirate's body patch. Now, should I have given him a little kitchen? I don't think so. We could give him his grilled sea bass if he really wants it. No, that looks silly. Yeah, that's what looks silly. I always say that every time. Can't figure out how I want the stools. I don't want them just lined up here. That's kind of weird. I like them staggered. Oh, I have the sword there. That's what's... I'm like, what's getting in the way over here? I think we will put some plants in just because it looks good. This sword kind of there. Can we customize that? I want to make it... Ooh, gold. Absolutely. With an old map. Perfect. I can't believe I almost missed that. Okay. Now... just kind of go through this stuff. See what all we've got we could give them. Yeah, I'm not going to give him food. I was going to maybe give him some food and water. Or not water, but a beverage. I want to do something neater. Ooh, that's big. I feel like that could be one of his treasures. Put that maybe over here. Let's put the bird there. The lamp here. Okay, that's what it looks like with the lights off. And I kind of like it. I want it kind of dark. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Let's see what else. Yeah. Like, well, maybe he would like a tablet device. I don't know. How to play games or something when you're waiting to go out and get your next haul of loot. Oh yeah, we still have to finish putting some things on the wall as well. We've got the map. Does he have a little piggy bank? A golden piggy bank? It's kind of cute. I don't want to tuck it back here. Gets his little secret stash of money back there. Or we could put it... That's kind of cute. I don't hate that idea. Hi, Scarlet. You can go back to sleep, baby. Okay, let's give him now. We'll just give him a beverage. I feel like he should just have a hot coffee. Or, yeah, use this teacup. Brown. Does that look weird? Yeah, let's put it there. Okay, so now the walls. We've got to finish the walls. Butterfly fish model might look kind of cute up there. Or like I said, we could do some real artwork. I feel like he would maybe have some artwork. I like that. Let's see, what else would he have? Sure. I do more. Let's lower this one just a little. Nope, liked it better up. Okay. That's all looking all right. I know I could put more on these side walls, but I don't know, I guess maybe some more artwork? I'm sure he's stolen a lot of art in his time. I don't think we're going to do the upstairs today. That kind of took me a little while, I feel like, to get going with this one. But I'm enjoying it now that we have. Yeah, those are up too high over there. I'll go fix that in a second. Oh, they have to be seen, though. Okay, how am I feeling about this? Oh, I didn't use, excuse me. I forgot I have the area rug, that with the pirate area rug. That would have been sad to forget. Somewhere I have it. Pirate rug. There. I don't know, you guys. I kind of like his little secret hideaway we've made for him. Oh, I was going to do some tiki torches outside, maybe. Let's go put it, like, one out, see how it looks. Maybe one by the cave. I think I could fit it to the side, maybe. Excuse me. Yeah, just to finish it up a little bit. Was that under the order? Should I change his outfit? I kind of like his outfit the way it is. He's such a bright and cute little mousey. I'm going to have to turn that on. And then move him. Excuse me. Okay. No, okay. Yeesh. Here. Okay, let's go inside and tell him we're done. Yeah, I feel like he could have a very kind of fancy, ornate bedroom upstairs or something, but I don't want to do that today. I think this is it. It is done. Whoa, seriously? My power fortress is complete. You really put everything into that. I'm so impressed. Oh, he's so cute. Pirate's secret hideaway for Rod. I maybe should put him in a little pirate outfit. We'll try one on him, see how it looks. I think it came out kind of cute. Oh, he's adorable. Look at how he's standing. Yes, yes, of course we'll take photos. All right, bud. Let's see what else we have. I got a new amiibo in the mail that might be kind of fun to use. No, we're not going to put the eye patch on him. And not the skull tee either. He's a cute little pirate just the way he is. Okay, I'm going to pause it because it's still all sealed in the envelope. Hold on a second. All right, got it. This should be fun. This partner in crime. Come on. Too bad I don't have Gulliver. Whoops. Put him right next to him. Nope. Please sit down. Thank you. I'm going to try the handheld camera, see if I can get a good shot. Whoops. Gulliver, I'm trying to... Yeah, no, we got to back out of that. Find the best angle for this. That's kind of cute. Yeah, I think I like that first. We're just going to go with that picture. Yeah, that's cute. I like that Gulliver's here. You never know where this bird's going to show up. I want to do a house for him. I think for Gulliver, it would be kind of funny to do like a fancy little apartment for him. Like he's so sick of being on ships and crashing onto beaches and passing out in the sand that he needs a skyrise apartment for his vacation. Not sure when I'll do that. We'll have to do that soon. Thank you, Lottie. Oh, that's our 60th home. Oh, how fun. All right, let's do it. Let's go to the restaurant. We have more room there now that we've redone it. We're still a little squished. Oh, poor little Nico's behind the counter. I wasn't reading that. Yep, that's 60 already. Well, you're amazing too, Nico. Great job. Does everyone have their glass? In that case... Cheers! Oh, we're still so smushed. I didn't realize we're already at 60. Hi, Nico. I kind of see you. Our clients are wild about the designs you've been putting together, Moxie. It's like the student has become the teacher. I know I'm definitely the one learning now. I think it's safe to say that you've become the backbone. Wow, thank you, Lottie. I hope all of us can continue supporting each other. Can continue. I like our happy diner. It looks cute. All right, I guess that's it. We're done. Oh, I forgot to change the flooring, the entry floor. Yep. Then let's call it here. Great party. Thank you, Lottie, Nico, and everybody, and Mordell. And thank you all for watching me design these homes. I know sometimes I get a little painful because it takes me forever to figure out what I want to do or make a decision, but I think once we get going, we end up with something that's okay. I know there's some I need to go improve upon, like Marlo and Marina and all of that, but it's just kind of fun to see how far we've come with all the options that we've unlocked and all of that. So thank you again so much, you guys, for watching and helping this series, do well. And for all of you who have been subscribing and liking my videos, it really means a lot to me. So thank you so much. Take care.